Hello friends, today we will see about absorption of drug. Actually, absorption is a process in which drug enters into the blood from the site of administration. So first we will see what are the routes of administration from the sites of administration, and we will see what are the routes of administration. Routes of administrations are: first is oral, means we will take drug from mouth, and second is we take externally we will apply, that is if anyone having skin problems they will apply lotions, creams, ointments, balm and etc. And injections, these are the site of administrations, I mean routes of administrations, and there are many routes of administrations. Okay, so now we will, absorption means what? Drug enters into the blood from the site of administration. First of all, drug enters into our body. How it enters? From where it enters? It enters from intracellular gaps and phospholipid gaps. Okay, drug enters into our body from intracellular gaps, phospholipid gaps, and from where drug enters into blood? It's from stomach. It's from either stomach, large intestine, or small intestine. It means we can say that absorption of drug takes place from stomach or large intestine or small intestine. Now let's see on what factors does absorption of drug depends. It depends upon many factors, but we will see it depends upon pKa and pKb, that is acidic or basic drug. It depends upon physical state of drug. It depends upon food present in the stomach. It depends upon site of absorption and nature of disease. Let's see how it depends on pK and pKb. First we need to know this relation. pKa is inversely proportional to acidity but directly proportional to basicity. Similarly, pKb is inversely proportional to basicity and directly proportional to acidity. It means if pKa increases, acidity decreases and basicity also increases. If pKb increases, basicity decreases, acidity increases. So if highly acidic drug you take, highly acidic drug means highly pKb drug, it will be absorbed from stomach. Highly basic drug if you take, it will be absorbed from large intestine. It will be having large pKa. Now slightly acidic or slightly neutral, slightly basic, or we can take neutral. It will be absorbed from small intestine. Why? You might get doubt. Why as highly acidic drugs, highly pKb drugs are absorbed from stomach, highly basic drugs are absorbed from large intestine, slightly acidic, slightly basic are absorbed from small intestine? Because you just remember one thing, like dissolves like. Like dissolves like. So this is a most important thing, that if a stomach is highly acidic because acids are produced, and here it can dissolve acidic drugs easily. Large intestine is alkaline, so it can dissolve basic drugs easily, and here small intestine can easily dissolve some slightly acidic and slightly basic. So now second factor is on which drug absorption of drug depends, that is physical state of drug. Absorption depends, second factor is physical state of drug. So what the physical state? Solution are easily absorbed, then emulsions, then suspensions, and then solids. Solids can take tablets, capsules, coated capsules, etc. These are the physical state on which drug depends. Absorption of drug depends. So first and foremost, solutions are absorbed easily, then emulsions are absorbed, then suspensions, then these tablets. Now food present in the stomach, how it is related to the absorption of drug. Actually, you need to know here bioavailability, one term, that is bioavailability means amount of drug absorbed in the blood from the site of administration. In short term, we can say it as drug absorption. Again, I'll repeat, small amount of drug that is absorbed into the blood, that is bioavailability. And here one thing is that if you take drug with the food, its bioavailability decreases. It means its drug absorption decreases. That is the reason doctor administrates you to take drug with after or before the food. That is the reason. Okay, this is the third factor. Now site of absorption. Site of absorption, here we will see that higher surface area is of which? Large intestine, small intestine, or stomach. We have observed that large intestine surface area is larger than the stomach. So here absorption will be more, here will be less. So where bioavailability, drug absorption will be more, drug absorption will be more in the large intestine area than in the stomach. And now the last factor is nature of disease. How nature of disease is related to the absorption of drug. Example, anemia. Anemia is one of the disease in which iron absorption, in anemia, iron absorption is more than in other diseases, GIT diseases. Let me summarize this. First, we have gone through what is absorption of drug. Drug absorption is bioavailability, you have came to know. And then from where it enters into the body, it enters into the body from intercellular gaps, phospholipid gaps, and from where it is absorbed from stomach, either from large intestine or small intestine, and it depends upon the following factors. These factors are pKa, pKb, physical state of drug, food present in the stomach, site of absorption, nature of disease. Thank you for watching the video.